Powell is now stocking Amphenol M28840 shipboard connectors, providing reliable and robust MIL-DTL 28840 connectors for U.S. Navy vessels and mission-critical telecommunication systems deployable in extreme environments. The high-density connectors reinforce reliability with superior shock and vibration performance and wide operating temperatures. Back shells are designed for strain relief and offer EMI and environmental sealing. The M28840 connector series is precision machined and available in 9 shell sizes, with different pin count configurations and multiple keying options for both plugs and receptacles. Connectors accept 20 through 28 gauge wire for the size 20 crimp termination contacts with rear insert and front release. The M28840 connector series is fully interchangeable, utilizing the same application tool for all 3 contact types. A back shell and accessories kit option is available with the M28840 shipboard connector series.